Hi guys, my name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing another ukulele tutorial for you guys. But before anything else, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay... Ano ba yan? Shout out kay Janelle Hardin, Ashley Cuarte, Enid Galiong, Arnel Rosario, Jonalyn Galit, Rolidan Basubas, Amcupida Shai, Christine Espinosa, Venice Montesilio, Bea Collado, Nicole Paradero, Mark De La Rosa, Stephen J. Valdez, and lastly, shout out kay Zekeya Encarnado. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Ano Bang Meron by Rayt Carreon. So yung una mong gagawin ay, of course, you need to download the PDF sheet or the printable ukulele sheet that I arranged for this tutorial. And this is available for free, and you can also save it onto your mobile phones or any devices that you have, or you may print it out just like this. So kailangan nyo to kasi andito yung lyrics, chords, yung strumming pattern, and anything that you need for this tutorial. So kung fan ka ng PBB Otso, lalo na sa love team ni Kiara at Gino, then this song might be familiar to you kasi ito yung pinapatugtog pag kinikilig yung dalawa.
Ano bang meron? Pag nandyan ka na, tila parang meron.
So, ayun, kailangan pala natin ng capo for this tutorial, and iipit natin siya dito sa first fret ng ating ukulele. Ayan. And then, we only have 3 chords for this song, as in super easy lang ng mga chords natin. So, yung first chord natin dyan is the chord of C. Ayan, so first string, 3rd fret. So, since nagkapo 1 tayo dito, or kapo sa first fret, then ito na yung magiging first fret natin. So, 1, 2, 3. So, yung C, first string, 3rd fret. So, kung walang kapo, yung C natin is andito, di ba? So, 1, 2, 3, still first string, 3rd fret. So, ganun pa rin yung, C. Ayan. Okay? So, bali nag-move lang tayo. 1, 2, 3. Instead of 1, 2, 3. Okay? The next chord that we should learn is the chord of E minor. This is pretty basic. And para siyang, ganyan pala. So, ganito pala. 1, 2, 3. So, this is E minor. Again, this is C. You may use your index finger or your middle finger in positioning the chord of C. Ayan. And then, yung E minor natin is 1, 2, 3. So, para siyang hagdan. Then, after that one is the chord of D. Ayan. So, second fret tayo. 1, 2, 3. Or index, middle, and 4th finger. Again, C, E minor, and then D. So, since we only have 3 chords for this song, then yung chord progression natin from start to finish is just the same. As in, almost, hindi almost, the same talaga siya. So, C, E minor, D, from start to finish, ulit lang talaga siya, guys. And I'll be presenting to you 3 strumming patterns that you can apply for this song. So, may simple, meron ding medyo simple, at medyo, alam mo na. So, yung first pattern ay magiging ganito. For the second pattern, it should sound like this. For the third pattern, it should sound like this. Since I presented to you 3 strumming patterns that you can apply for this song, so pwede rin siyang i-combine. Depende na yun sa inyo. You can use the first strumming pattern lang with the combination of the third strumming pattern, or you can use the second and the first, or the third and the first. So, depende na yun sa inyo. Or you can just use one strumming pattern for the entire song. So, depende na yun sa diskarte nyo. So, for the first strumming pattern, para siyang plucking style na acoustic. Kumbaga. So, ganun. Okay, so position mo lang yung first chord natin dyan. This is the chord of C. Ayan. And then we need to pluck the strings, yung 4th, 3rd, and 2nd using our thumb. Okay? And then for the first string, this is the first string. The first string is the one that is facing the ground, and then the 4th string is the one that is facing your face. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, and then pluck using your index finger. So bali, etong tatlong string na to, etong daliri na to. Tapos para dito sa first string is etong daliri na to. Okay? Tapos, after plucking the first string, itatap mo yung ukulele mo. Okay? Ganon. Okay? And after the tapping, you need to pluck the second string using your index finger. So, kanina yung pagka-pluck natin dito is kasama siya dito sa thumb. After the tapping, yung pang-pluck mo na is etong index finger. Okay? So, slowly. And then after that one, lipat to the next chord, which is the chord of E minor. And then D. By the way, for the chord of D, we need to do the strumming pattern twice. Okay? And then balik ka na naman sa C. E minor. D. D. C. E minor, D, D. Okay? So, ganun yung first strumming pattern. Now, for the second strumming pattern, maging ganito siya. Napaka-common lang ito kasi madalas ko itong ginagamit sa mga tutorial ko. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So, slowly, first chord, C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So, in strumming your ukulele, ito lang yung ginagamit ko, the index nail and the thumb nail. Okay? So, para sa down strums, itong kuko ng index finger ko, so pag ganon. And then, for the up strums, ganon. Okay? So, down, down, up, down, E minor, down, down, up, down, D, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Tapos balik ka naman sa C. Pattern, ito ay medyo mahirap ng konti lang, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi feeling ko hindi kayo mahilig sa chucking pero yung chucking ay napapractice, okay? So napapractice yan, huwag kayong mag-alala, and always remember that chucking is very important in playing your ukulele kasi isa yan sa mga technique, okay? So may mga ganun. So, yun yung chucking, okay? So, ayan, madalas nyo yung naririnig pag may nagtutugtog ng ukulele. So, ayun na nga, yung strumming pattern natin for the third strumming pattern. Yung chord progression pa rin natin is C, E minor, and D, okay? So, down, chuck, tama ba? Down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, 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 chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, 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 chuck, up, down, up. Okay, so slowly, first chord, C, down, chuck, up, down, up, tapos lipat ng chord, E minor, down, chuck, up, down, up, and then for the chord of D, down, chuck, up, 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 chuck, up, down, up. Okay? So, yung chucking ay parang binablock mo yung strings using your palm and then ikakaskas mo siya ng ganun. So, simultaneously. So, block, strum. Okay? And then, mas maganda yung tunog ng chucking pag lahat ng kuko mo ay parang sinastrum mo. Okay? So, block, strum. Ganun. So, down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, down, up, down, chuck, up, 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 chuck, up, down, up. C, E minor, D. Ano bang meron pag Pwede bang ipaliwanag naman? Hindi naguguluhan ng isip sa panaginip na ikaw at ako lang, ikaw at ako lang. Sabik makita ang mga ngiti niya. Hayaan mo sana, pag nawala ka, baka di na kaya. Wala akong magawa, anong meron sa ating dalawa? Ano bang meron? Anong meron? Meron ba o wala? Ano bang meron? Pag nandyan ka na, tilang parang meron. Totoo sa bawat silang mga biro mo. Pero bang sabihin mo kung pareho lang tayo ng nararamdaman? Pwede bang ipaliwanag naman? Hindi naguguluhan ng isip sa panaginip na ikaw at ako lang, ikaw at ako lang. Sabik makita ang mga ngiti niya. Hayaan mo sana, pag nawala ka, baka di na kaya. Wala akong magawa, anong meron sa ating dalawa? Ano bang meron? Anong meron? Meron ba o wala? Ano bang meron? Pag nandyan ka na, tila parang meron. Totoo sa bawat simpleng mga biro mo. Pero bang sabihin mo kung pareho lang tayo ng nararamdaman? Pwede bang ipaliwanag naman? Hindi naguguluhan ng isip sa panaginip na ikaw at ako lang, ikaw at ako lang. Sabik makita ang mga ngiti niya. Hayaan mo sana, pag nawala ka, baka di makaya. Wala akong magawa, anong meron sa ating dalawa? Ano bang meron? Anong meron? Meron ba o wala?
Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.